This is a demonstration of how this application can extract data from a PDF into a structured table or Excel. First, select the type of PDF you will be uploading from this menu. This will load the likely headers your table should contain. You can add or remove headers you do not need. You can also personalize the header by setting a default value or specifying how often the value should appear. Then simply upload the PDF file using this button. Press this button to start data extraction.
The application will start by conducting OCR on the document, which is essential for extracting text contained within images and logos. After the OCR process is completed, the application will present your document alongside the extracted text. Subsequently, it will utilize AI to extract the requested structured data. Once completed, your table will be displayed on the right side. Let's compare the results. As you can see, our receipt was scanned at an angle and with poor resolution. However, all 4 items shown in the receipt appear correctly in our table. All values have been precisely extracted. In instances where quantities are absent on the receipt, our system automatically defaults to the pre-configured value for that specific field. To download the table as an Excel file, simply click on the Excel button located at the top. Our application works with any PDF document such as invoices, dockets, surveys, irrespective of language, and can fetch PDFs from emails. Furthermore, it can also keep a register containing all the data from processed PDFs.